Hi, hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to block and unblock users in Google Chat. It's really easy. Here I am using Android. If you are using iOS, it should be the similar method, same exactly method. Here, how to doing that? How to block users on your Google Chat? You just open your Google Chat, and then you can press on hold on the name, and on the below, as you can see, there is an option of block and report. I can click that one since this chat is spam for me, and then I can also click also report it and copy of the last to do for Google. So it will be an input for them to analyze which is real spam or not. So I will click block. That's it, very simple how to block the Google Chat users. Now how to unblock the blocked user. What you have to do, you just click this new chat and just type in the person you already blocked. For example, I just report this person. So I just click the chat, and then you can see there is an option of unblock on down below. So that's really easy how to do it. That's it, this very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you guys, and if you think this content is helpful for you, you just can click thanks or just subscribe to our channel. That's really helpful for us. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.